I'd like to introduce you to the concept of Scrubby sliders here inside of Photoshop. So I have a composition just here. I have a smoke one layer just here. If I turn that off and on, that's the layer just there. And I'm thinking I would like to mess with the opacity of this layer. So with it selected, top of the layers panel, here's opacity, here's 100%. Let's hit the little drop down just there, and I can easily change the opacity like so. Okay, that's very nice. A little tedious though. If I want to make a change, I have to hit that drop down every single time. So let's try and take advantage of this thing called a Scrubby slider. Let me zoom in nice and close just here. If I hover my mouse over the word opacity, you can see the mouse pointer change into this hand with the left and the right pointing arrows. That's Photoshop telling you that this is a Scrubby slider. So let me just zoom back out here. So if you have a numerical field, look to the left of it. If you have an icon or a word, hover over that. And if you see that icon, you'll know it's a Scrubby slider, which means that if you click and hold on that, drag to the left, you will reduce that value, and drag to the right, and you will increase it. Very nice. Now, if you're finding that that value is changing too quickly, hold down the Alt or the Option key, and it will actually change at a much slower rate. Dragging to the left and the right just there, and it's moving much slower than it did a few moments ago. Conversely, if you want this to change even quicker than it does by default, hold down the Shift key, and you can see that will change extremely quickly. Very nice. Okay, let's see where else we might find some Scrubby sliders. I have my text layer just here up in Spoke. I'll double click on that to edit that. So up here in the options bar, if I hover over Trajan Pro 3 or the icon to the left of that, no, nothing. Same with regular, no. But if I hover over the little icon just to the left of the font size just here, sure enough, I get that slider. So again, we're looking for numerical fields and we're looking for words or an icon to the left of that numerical field. So if I drag on that, I can easily change the font size there like so. Same as before, hold down the Alt or the Option key. We can slow that down. You can see all those decimal points just in there. And to make dramatic, fast changes, hold down the Shift key. Very cool. I wonder if this works in dialog boxes. Let's find out. Let's jump into, oh, excuse me, let's just jump out of there. Image, and let's go into image size. Okay, so sure enough, we have some numerical fields inside of here. Let's see if width will work. There it is just there, our Scrubby slider icon showing up. If I click and drag, I can easily change the width just from the word width without actually having to click in the field and make changes that way. Very nice. So that's Scrubby sliders in Photoshop, guys. Hope it helps speed up your workflow. Catch you later.